Are you looking to buy a new phone? Then this video will help you out in choosing the latest and the best one. In this video, I am going to show you some of the recently launched and announced best phone that you can consider to buy for 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which one did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Vivo T1 already launched in China but soon will be launching in the Asian countries, Europe and America. This smartphone is an affordable 5G smartphone that has got impressive specifications. Coming to the specification of the smartphone comes with a beautiful 6.67 inch of display with a full HD plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset, which is a 5G chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs Android 11 software and packs huge 5000 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. Coming to the cameras, as you know, Vivo phones are known for their best cameras at a cheaper price. This phone comes with a triple rear camera setup at the back, comprising of 64 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.79 and a second 8 megapixel camera and a third 2 megapixel camera. And for selfies, it has got 16 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.45 to take decent selfies. Coming to the dimensions of the phone is a bit thick, measuring 8.49mm in thickness and weighing around 192 grams. The expected price of this phone is around 18 to 22,000 Indian rupees and around $300 to $350 in the international market. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the availability in your country and buy it from there. Realme GT Neo 2T. Realme GT series is known for their flagship-like specification coming at an affordable price. Realme GT Neo 2T is an amazing smartphone that has got amazing specification coming at a very affordable price. Coming to its specification, the phone comes with a beautiful 6.43 inch of display with a full HD plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 1200 5G chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs on Android 11 software and packs 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. Coming to the cameras, this smartphone packs triple rear camera system at the back, comprising of 64 megapixel primary camera, a second 8 megapixel camera and a third 2 megapixel camera. The Realme GT Neo 2T runs Realme UI 2.0, which is based on Android 11, and the smartphone was launched in attractive colors like glazed white and jet black colors. The expected price of this smartphone is around $400 in the international market and around 25 to 27,000 Indian rupees. Sony Xperia Pro 1. If you're looking for a smartphone for pro photography, then this is the best one. Sony Xperia Pro 1 was launched in the month of October 2022 and not available in most of the countries, but this is an amazing smartphone that may be launched in your country in the coming months or in 2022. Coming to its specification, the phone comes with a beautiful 6.5-inch display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs Android 11 software and packs 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. Sony Xperia Pro 1 is known for its camera. The phone comes with a triple rear camera setup comprising of 12 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f2.0, a second 12 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.4 and a third 12 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.2. And for selfies, it features 8 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.0 to take beautiful selfies. Coming to the dimensions of the phone is a little bit thick and heavy, measuring 8.9mm in thickness and weighing around 211 grams. And the smartphone is available in only one color, that is frosted black. Xiaomi has recently launched Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 series to again rule the budget segment. The most awaited smartphone was launched in China in the month of October 2021, and soon it will be launching in Asian countries, Europe and America. And in this video, I am going to discuss about the Redmi Note 11 Pro. Coming to the specification of the Redmi Note 11 Pro, the Redmi Note 11 Pro comes with a beautiful 6.67 inch of AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and the support of HDR10. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Coming to the power, this phone is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G chipset built on 6nm technology, coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Cameras are the main attraction of this smartphone. It comes with triple rear camera setup at the back comprising of 108MP primary camera, 8MP ultra-wide sensor and 2MP telephoto macro sensor. And for selfies, it has got 16MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Coming to the dimensions of the phone measures 8.3mm in thickness and weighs around 207 grams. The smartphone was launched in mysterious black, forest green, timeless purple and milky way blue color. The smartphone packs huge 5160 mAh of battery that comes with a 67W fast charging support. It was a rumor that the smartphone will be powered by 120W fast charging, but you can see that feature in the Note 11 Pro Plus variant. Google Pixel 6, the most awaited smartphone of 2021, and Google has launched it finally in the month of October 2021, and it is an amazing smartphone that you can consider to buy for 2022. Coming to the specification of the Google Pixel 6, it comes with a beautiful 6.4-inch touchscreen display with a full HD Plus resolution. The Google Pixel 6 is powered by 2.8 GHz octa-core Google Tensor processor that features 2 cores clocked at 2.8 GHz and 2 cores clocked at 2.25 GHz, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The most exciting thing about the Google Pixel 6 is it runs Android 12 software, and it is powered by 4614 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support as well as wireless charging support. Google Pixel 6 is known for their great set of cameras. There is a dual rear camera setup at the back comprising of 50MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.85 and a pixel size of 1.2 micron, and a 12MP second camera with an aperture of f2.2 and a pixel size of 1.25 micron. And this dual rear camera setup at the back takes amazing pictures. For selfies, there is an 8MP camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, the phone is little bit thick, measuring 8.9mm in thickness and weighing around 207 grams. And one more interesting thing about this smartphone is the smartphone comes with a IP68 rating for dust and water protection. The smartphone will cost you around $600 to $650 in the international market and around 45 to 50,000 Indian rupees. So these are some of the latest, best, amazing smartphone that you can consider to buy for 2022. If I had missed any of the smartphone in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.